Oh, oh my baby, why crying? My baby just woke up. Good morning. Say hello. Say hello. Say good morning. Good morning. Say hello. Good morning. Not here at all.
So for our Chinese New Year reunion dinner, so we going to cook prawn, we're going to cook chicken, we have fish, we have scallop, and we have mushroom.
Which one?
We have broccoli also.
What's
and
that? A mushroom. Okay. So we have chicken, fish,
prawn.
and scallop.
But now we're going to eat something simple first.
Like
Just
that.
fried rice, yeah. So at night around 4 or 5, then we will start to eat something special. Yeah, this one put.
Hello! My baby is crying. Gongsi, gongsi, pachay. Gongsi, pachay. And galing kami sa labas. Bumili kami ng isang box ng orange. So, nabawasan na siya. Isang box is 24 pieces. Ayan. Di ba? Ang ganda. Oh, don't cry. Cooking. What is this? Broccoli. And then, fried fish. What's your next one, Han? Chicken. You have chicken?
Chicken will cook the scallop.
Scallop. Okay. Hey, what are you doing? I will cut also. You only take this. You are going to mix.
Prawn? Onion? corn flour. Too big. I think your mama making video there. Sauce for the fish. So this is tomato sauce. Little bit of soy sauce, little bit of sesame, the black vinegar. And we need some sugar because the kids like sweet, so we put a little bit sugar. So a little bit of ginger leaf to make it look nice. Just come to in here.
This extra one.
This is all already cut. Very nice. Yeah, nam nam. So I cooked some sauce for the chicken. Just this is what bawang. Bawang is garlic, and later I will mix a little bit of soy sauce and a little bit of sugar, and later I will put to the chicken there. So when you cook the chicken, you have to see if not over boil. If over boil, the chicken is not nice. So but how to check, I also don't know.
Very good tutorial, I like it.
One thing we can check is you cut the chicken and see inside what to do. You can use this one, the chopstick, and then try to put to the chicken. If you can easily get through, means it's already cooked lah. Alright, so now the chicken is I think it's already cooked. So but we need another like how many minutes? Another few minutes. Chicken and also some pizza. So the onion is better to cook so it's not so spicy. Now the chicken is already okay, but I need some So now we can prepare to eat, and then I'm going to prepare the one scheduled food for my
For your what?
For CU lah. This one is a very special below because my daughter requested. So I'm going to prank my daughter. So now I'm looking for her favorite. Her favorite. Her favorite chicken butt. Yeah. She says she likes chicken butt. You see? This is my daughter favorite. You see?
So that's very special lah.
Yeah, very special. And now you can prepare to eat. Here when the chicken is just nice, you can see the fat. It's like a gel, something like that.
Let's eat.
恭喜发财！耶！新年快乐！
新年快乐！
万事如意！还有，
恭喜发财！
耶！
Seaway also never.
So that's the end of our video. Hope you enjoy. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa aming video. And don't forget to
Subscribe!
Like.
subscribe.
And follow us on the
Wait lang.
YouTube.
Like, then share. Go.
Like and share.
Okay.
Comment.
Okay.
Comment.
And 恭喜发财，新年快乐，
And
万事
无力
身体
健康。
呀，大家发财，耶！
See
Your
here.
Tang family.
Huh? Well, again.
我当 family 呀，个人。
Your Tang family.
Wow.
Yes.
See you.
See where the noise.
恭喜发财。
Tang family.
Okay, hope to see you again sa susunod naming video. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe.
Like, share.
Bye. Say bye.
And share.
Say bye.
Your
Say
family.
Bye.
Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
拜拜。
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.